couple of them. All I can get is a couple of them.
Hey!
Don't try to break in my house.
Answer the door.
I'm right here.
We've been knocking on the door. Open the damn door.
No, I'm not opening the door.
Open the door. We're coming through it.
No, you have no right. Come
Yes, we do.
Actually, yes.
A domestic occurred here. We're going to conduct an investigation. You can open the door or we can kick it in. We can kick it in. Open it or we'll kick it in.
Why?
Because we're conducting an investigation.
This is my house.
Do you not understand? In a minute, I'm going to kick the door open.
Well, don't do that. Don't break
Open the
Then
door.
open the door and talk to us like a reasonable person.
You have no reason to jack my door.
Open the door.
No, I don't have to open the door.
Then I'll kick it.
Go get the sheriff. Chief, please. Hey, I don't have no reason to fight you guys. I don't know why you're...
Then open the door.
Quit trying to jam in my door. That's ridiculous.
We didn't do anything to your door. We're trying to open the dang door.
Why?
Because you and your wife over here got in a fight. Open the door.
That's not my wife. I'm a girlfriend.
I don't care. Whichever it is. Open the door.
I own this house.
I'm going to give you to the count of 3. If I kick that door in, you're going in jail for hindering an investigation. You understand that?
What are you investigating?
1,
What are you investigating?
A domestic.
2.
This is my house.
All right, dude. You asked for it. Move out of the way.
No.
Move out of the
Move out of the
way.
way.
Move out of the way.
Move.
Oh, you guys don't fucking work here no more.
Move out of the way.
Why?
You got your
No.
taser ready? Because I'm going to kick the door. Move.
What are you investigating?
Move out of the way.
Come on, man.
Move. Open the door. I'll give you one more chance to open that door.
What are you investigating?
I just told you, open the door.
No. What are you investigating? Stop. This is my house. Stop. This is my house.
I'm not playing with you, man.
I'll open the door. Stop.
Get on the ground.
Oh, yes, sir.
Get on the ground.
Yes, sir. Yes. I'm on the ground. Yes, sir. All right.
What did we tell you? Over it.
You're right. You're right. I'm not trying to fight you guys. What are you investigating?
A domestic.